Hi everyone, welcome to another video, and today's video is about one of the most popular luxury SUV. So let's get started. So this is the 1/18 diecast model of second generation Audi Q7, which is officially licensed by Audi and made by Minichamps, a diecast company which makes some of the most amazing models, and this one right here is one of them. And this one is a limited edition to 300 pieces with this amazing matte black finish. But the only problem on this model are these headlights. They lack detailing. For example, if I compare it to my Audi Q5 model, you can see the difference. But other than that, the model is really nice. So I bought this model for around 10,000 rupees from an Instagram page called Car Collective Online. So I'll provide the link of that Instagram page in the description of this video. So you can contact them if you want to buy this or any other diecast model. And we also made these miniature diorama house and petrol pump. If you want to see the making of these, click any of the end screen videos. So thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.